everybody, welcome back. So today I have a Bath and Body Works candle haul for you. Yes, I'm so excited. So if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right away because you're going to love the content that I am going to be bringing to you. I do Bath and Body Works videos about 3 or 4 times a year. I hit up all the major sales, so definitely hit that subscription button so you can see all of my hauls. But otherwise, I do a lot of DIYs, and also I do some home improvement and decor, as well as home decor hauls. So yeah, definitely hit the subscription button as well as the notification bell. And yeah, so let's get right on into this haul. So yeah, these are my bags. These are the bags from like 2 years ago. I did bring them back because it makes it so much easier to carry your stuff to the car and just carrying it in the store in general. So I always take these to the major sales when I know that I'm going to be buying a bunch of candles. And while I'm doing that, let me tell you this crazy story that happened to me this morning as I'm going to the sale. So I get to the mall. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Mind you, they opened at 6. My mall did anyway. And so I get there and there's no one. No one's there. And so I'm looking around like, okay, what is going on? Why isn't the main entrance open, you know? So I'm like, okay, it's got to be open because they said they opened at 6. So I go up to the door, pull the door, nothing. The doors are all locked. I tried every last one. And so I'm like, okay, maybe this Macy's, because Macy's is right next to it. So I said, maybe the Macy's is open. So I went over to Macy's and then I saw somebody in there doing stuff, you know, working or whatever. It's dark though. Mind you, it's dark. The store's dark. And so I go up to the door, pull the door handle, nothing. And so I'm like, I got in my car. By now I'm mad because I got up out of my warm bed to get out in this Michigan cold weather where it's like 30 degrees outside. And so I went over to my car. I got back in my car and I called Bath and Body Works. I said, are you guys open? And I hear all these people in there. She said, yeah, we open. We've been open since 6. I'm like, well, how do you get in? They were going in through the workers entrance, which is like where all the trash and stuff is taken out. So okay, by then it's like me and another girl, and I see a lady coming out as well, and I said, well, where are you guys coming in? So she points us to this area where everybody's coming in at to get to the sale. And I'm like, for real, why didn't they just have the door open for the customers? You know, why we have to go in through the garbage entrance? But so I finally got to the sale, and of course everybody was already there. But you know what? That's okay because I got some really good candles, and I still got pretty much everything I wanted with the exception to 2 candles. So I'm going to just show you what I picked up now. This is my bag again, and I think I showed you. I don't know. I did 3 transactions. And so the first one I picked up is champagne toast, and I think I got 2 of these. Let me see. Yeah, I got 2 champagne toasts. I've never got this one before, and so I wanted to make it a point to get this one now. To me, this one is not a wintertime scent, but I feel like it'll be really, really nice for like springtime or even summertime. This is nice though. It's really beautiful. It's made with citrus and orange essential oils. So yeah, notes of bubbly too. I can't really see up close with my glasses on, so I'm not gonna try to read these. And so then I picked up pistachio ice cream, and this just sounded so good to me. So I like it. It's very, very nice. A light scent, and if you didn't know any better, you probably wouldn't think it was ice cream that you smelled. It probably is. It is roasted pistachio, almond extract, and vanilla extract as well. So yeah, that's what that is. I got 2 of those as well. There's my second one. I love the packaging on these too, because I do a lot of neutrals when I decorate as well as some of the golds. So this will fit in really nice with some of my decor. And then guys, in the last 2 in this bag, I picked up peppermint marshmallow. And I think I only got 1 peppermint marshmallow because I think I have 2 of those from last year that I didn't burn. I was obsessed with it last year, so yeah. And let me put this one down. You guys know what peppermint marshmallow smells like. Oh, it's so good though. So nice. Not as strong as the peppermint candle that Bath and Body Works usually comes out with every year, but it is really, really nice. It has like a creaminess to it. And so I also got Tuxedo Night. Look at this packaging, you guys. This is so gorgeous to me. Now this is like a perfumey or cologne-y smell, but it's not very strong. If you like mahogany teak wood, you will love this one. I love this. So good. And for my free item, I picked up this here, and this is the Sleep Black Chamomile, and it's just a pillow mist. I just noticed that she packed them a little bit off. I bought 5 in each transaction, and I just showed you guys 6, but you guys just know I did 5. I bought 5 candles and used my 15 off 40 coupon, and so it came up to like 30 bucks for, you know, 5 candles, which is amazing. Coconut, you know I love my mahogany. Oh yes, this is so nice, and I love coconut, so I had to try this one. I think I only got 1 of these. And then I got Party Dress. Yes. Now this is a nice light perfumey scent. This is so beautiful. If you haven't smelled this, go and try it. Okay, and then I picked up 'Tis the Season. Now I had this one before and hated it. I mean, it smelled like crazy glue to me. I couldn't do this one. But this year, it smelled really good. So I'm going to give this one a try. See how that works. And you guys, this is an oldie but goodie. So a lot of people like it. It was never just my cup of tea. And then I got a peach candle, which is another candle that I would not have thought that I would have picked up. It says white peach here, and usually I don't like how Bath and Body Works does peaches because it's not really authentic, but we'll see how this one burns. If it burns good, you know, we might try it. Okay, so that's that. Crate number 2 is empty. Okay, and for my free gift, I picked up the peppermint oil. Essential oils 5-in-1. So this can be used as a pillow mist. You can spray it in the shower. So yeah, that really got me excited because I felt like, you know, when you have maybe a cold or something, you can spray this in the shower, and yeah, this sounds just great to me. So yeah, got that. You can also spray it on your body if you want to. Okay, so this is my last crate, and in here I can tell you right now there are going to be a lot of repeats, so I'm just gonna show you what I picked up. Now I got French baguette. Yes, this was one of the ones that I was like, I have to find in there. Really, really nice. So if you guys can get your hands on this, because I know they didn't have many in my store, but if you can get your hands on this candle, definitely do that. It's such a nice, beautiful scent. It smells just like bread, but not like I don't know, it's like a sweet, to me it's very subtle, but it's like, oh, just buttery, fresh bread. So good. Like when you go out to eat somewhere and they put the hot warm bread on your table. Yes, girl, yes. And so I got 3 of those, and then I got 2 gelatos. So here is the gelato candle here. Very, very light, but I like it. I like it. Very fruity, fresh, lovely, lovely scent. And then my final free item was just this one. This is the Black Chamomile in Sleep, and I picked this up for my husband. This is going to be in his stocking. So yeah, guys, that is all that I picked up today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big, huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.